अस्सलाम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है डेट इज इफेक्ट्स ऑफ डिफॉरेस्टेशन। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जो फॉरेस्ट हैं दे आर वेरी मच यूजफुल फॉर अस। दे आर closely related to our climatic change on this earth. They are closely related to our biodiversity, our wildlife, our crops and medicinal plants, etc. So if there is deforestation, that will have both long term as well as short term adverse effects on the well being of humans as well as other species on the earth. तो जो फॉरेस्ट्स हैं दे आर वेरी मच यूज़फुल फॉर अस। अगर हम उनकी डिफॉरेस्टेशन करते हैं, इसके बहुत सारे इफ़ेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं हमारी ज़िंदगी पे और जो दूसरी लाइफ इस दुनिया पे है, डेट विल आल्सो गेट इफेक्टेड. So these effects are long term as well as short term effects. Some of the effects are that deforestation may lead to several environmental problems. It will lead to soil erosion, increased siltation of water bodies, increase in the frequency of floods, change in the precipitation patterns, etc. However, जो main और specific effects हैं इस deforestation के, that can be summarized as number first जो है, जो deforestation है that leads to the disturbance of ecological balance. जो बैलेंस है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कंसनट्रेशन की या ऑक्सीजन की इन द एटमॉस्फेयर, that is maintained by forests. We know that if the forests are destructed, there may be increase in the carbon dioxide concentration in the atmosphere as well as oxygen concentration will get reduced. So this will have far-reaching consequences on the life of human beings as well as other life on the earth. So this is the first factor. This is the first effect of deforestation, that is disturbance of ecological balance. दूसरा जो इसका इफेक्ट है डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ वाइल्ड लाइफ एंड देयर हैबिटेट्स. हम जानते हैं जो हमारी वाइल्ड लाइफ है that is, we can say, mostly present in our forests form the suitable habitats for our wild animals, for other wild species. So when we are destructing the forests, when we are disturbing the forests, cutting down the trees, so that will ultimately lead to the destruction of the habitat of this wildlife, and ultimately the wildlife will get lost, it will get extinct. तीसरा जो है lowering of water table. We know जो forests का जो cover है, that forest cover maintains the water cycle as well as water table. So if there is loss of forests, that water may not get percolated deep into the soil, and that will disturb the water table in the soil. So if there is destruction of forests, that may lead to runoff, that may lead to increase in the runoff, and this will and due to increased use of underground water, thereby increase the underground water may be used more and more. So this will ultimately lead to the, we can say, increase the frequency of droughts, because when there is loss of, we can say, when there is increased use of, we can say, groundwater, so water table will get lowered. The water, we can say, present on the earth, that is also that water will also get lowered. So this ultimately lead to the increase in the droughts when the soil, because when the soil water may get reduced, the soil will not be able to produce more and more, we can say, produce good crops, that will ultimately lead to the droughts. चौथा है इसका consequence, that is melting of ice caps. We know जो हमारे forests हैं, they maintain a balance of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. If they are destructed, the increase in carbon dioxide concentration will lead to the global warming. So because of global warming, there may be rise in the temperature, and this in turn will lead to the melting of ice caps, and melting of ice caps in turn will lead to increase in the frequency of floods. पांचवा जो है इसका, that is scorched of fuel wood, giving rise to decreased economy of tribals. We know जो हमारे tribals है, they are most dependent, their economy is most dependent on the fuel wood, because they live in or around the forests and depend wholly or solely on, we can say, these forests. When there is destruction of forests, that will lead to the scarcity of fuel wood, and that will ultimately decrease the economy of tribals. एक और इफेक्ट जो इसका है डेट इज डिक्रीज इन सप्लाई ऑफ फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स एंड रॉ मटेरियल्स. वो जो फॉरेस्ट्स जो हमारे दे आर our valuable resources, they are rich, and they we can say they provide us so many important products, so many important raw materials. So when there is destruction of these forests, their supply of this the forest products as well as raw materials may get decreased. एक और effect जो इसका that is increase in soil erosion and expansion of desert areas. We know that जो soil है, that soil is withhold by means of trees, by means of roots of trees. When the forests are cut down, that will lose the soil, and ultimately soil will get eroded. And there is erosion of soil, that soil topmost layer of soil will get eroded, and it will ultimately lead to the formation of deserts, that is desertification will occur. एक और जो लॉस है इसका या कॉन्सिक्वेंस है डिफॉरेस्टेशन का, डेट इज लॉस ऑफ फ्लोरा एंड फाना, डेट मीन्स लॉस ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी. We know that most of our biodiversity, or most of our megadiversity regions, they are present in the forests. So when we are destructing the forests, when we are undergoing deforestation, that ultimately will lead to the destruction of our flora and fauna. So these were some of the consequences and effects of deforestation. Hope you have understood. Thank you.